Another
Like a
unboxing.
goat? Goat.
Yaya unboxing.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
She got the animal.
Yeah, got the animals and
She got
Fruits.
Of course.
Okay, let's go.
what do you like in that?
Should pop it.
I don't know.
What fruit?
Dapat
They're
ginagawa.
all-
I think this one tomato.
I wanted banana, but there's no banana.
Before you guys open, try to choose what you want.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
I'll go simple.
Rather than there.
I'll go simple. I think this is apple. There's two. I think this is
Which one do you want?
tomato.
Oh, tomato.
But basta apple. Whichever one's apple.
Oh, apple.
I can't read Chinese that well
Then
yet.
pop it.
It's small. You can do
Iba, I think
Talaga?
sa ibang ano.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
So you just break the box.
Check the card. Don't check the card.
Ay.
There's a card.
There's a card.
No, you're not.
So we can see.
Oh, it's in a package.
It's in a plastic.
Yeah, there's a card.
Oh, there is a card. At the back.
Oh, yeah.
Grabe naman suspense na to.
Okay, sabay na tayo. 1, 2, 3. Lamb. Oh, she got it.
Yan, banana.
Lemon.
But I did want banana, but there's no banana. But that's okay. This works.
Ay, galing.
Cute.
Oh, I think the oil.
Crazy eyes.
Oh, you can change it. Oh, you can change it.
I can name her.
Okay.
I can name her Leia.
Oh, nice.
I can name her Leia.
You can move the eyes, guys. Okay, thumbnails.
Ace is love.
Saya.
My name is Love. Her name is Love.
Wow, love.
I think.
Doyo. Dodo. Gusto ko si Dodo. Kiki.
So guys,
Thank you guys for watching.
part 2 of the segment.